Voice agents, what are they? So, voice agents, honestly, for the past few months or years, I can say a year, I think, at this point, have been taking over the market. So, simply what voice agents are is having an AI voice assistant that's able to answer inquiries or act as a customer service front desk for your business. So, imagine you're a business that's very, very busy, and then it receives a lot of calls at the same time. Due to you having little to no time, or sometimes you do hire people for those roles, but you can also have voice agents implemented into your business to help handle most of your inbound calls. So voice agents is such a very interesting topic that I'm taking it a step further, and I'm going to start creating more of voice agents videos or demos, you can call them. And today I'm also going to be creating one as well, which is a financial banking voice agent. So this voice agent essentially acts as a customer service for banks. So this voice agent is going to have information about the bank's inquiries. It's going to have information about the bank's services. It's also going to have information about the bank's contact information and contact details. So if you're a person trying to reach out to a bank, and I don't know about your experience, but with my experience, most of the time it usually takes really long for me to connect to the bank, because you call them and then you have to go to the system and then they give you a person and another person. You get the process. It's a whole process. So simply the goal of this agent is just to minimize that whole process and make it more instant and more quick, and to be short. So creating a voice agent like this specifically allows the bank to respond to the customer quickly, essentially. So the voice agent I'll be building today is going to be very easy. I'm pretty sure you can follow along as well. And I'm also going to be providing the prompts that you need, or the Google Doc for the prompts that you need at the end or in the first link in the comment section. So make sure you check that out, and we can jump into the build. I'll be using Vapi for this build, purely Vapi, and then at the end of the call, or at the end of the video rather, you'll be able to see me have a conversation with the voice agent and then see how it works at the end. So without further ado, let's go onto Vapi and then try to create the agent. So once you come to your Vapi dashboard, if you don't have an account on Vapi, I'm going to leave a link so you can go and join Vapi and then create your account from there. But then essentially, once you do go to create an account, you log in, you'll be sent to the overview, and then from the overview you can create a new assistant. But for this specific build, when you create an assistant, you're going to go to you're going to go to somewhere that says blank assistant, and then from there you're going to create a new assistant. So I've already created mine's already here, but essentially what I mean is this. Once you go to create assistant, once you go to create an assistant, as you can see, you have new assistant here. All you have to do is change the name, click on blank assistant, and then all you have to do is click on the create assistant, and then you'll be able to create your own assistant. And then once you're inside, you've created your new assistant, all you have to do is head over to the model, or it's actually going to take you to the model immediately you create it. So you come over to the model, and then you only have to do two things here in the prompt area, on the first message and on the 16 prompt. And I don't know if you're familiar with Vapi. If you're not familiar, that's what you have to do. But for some of you, or most of you who are going to be watching, I'm pretty sure you might have an idea of how prompting in Vapi works. So all you have to do, I do have a Google document for this specific build, and you go by you can access the Google Doc in the first link of the comment section. So this is what it's going to look. So this is what it's going to look like. So as you can see here, you have the first message. It says, "Hello, welcome to Gary BNG Bank. My name is Jerry, your virtual assistant. My name is Jerry, your virtual banking assistant, and I'm here to assist you with your banking needs." So with this one, you can replace it, because most people never really like the idea of talking to a voice agent or to a virtual assistant. So they would usually want someone to talk to. So you can remove this virtual bank assistant thing, and then you can add in your own thing, or you can just leave it as Gary. For this example, I'm just going to leave it the way it is, and you have simply just copy this, the first message, and then come to Vapi and then paste it in the first message. So for the second message as well, this is literally the second message, and you can go to the second message. It says, "Virtual banking assistant, I'm here to assist you." So that's the second conversation flow that is going to have after the first message. The first message is basically the intro. Immediately it picks up the call, what it's going to say. So you have the skills that he has. You can see that he has a account balance inquiries, it has lost stolen card reports, it has loan applications, it has fraud reporting, it has transaction history retrieval, it has bill payments, it has interest rates, it has credit cards, it has, you can add so many more which bank services provide to this voice agent. So it ends here. You can see we have the rules here. Authenticate users before discussing account details. Do not store sensitive financial information. So basically telling it to say all the information that it grabs, it shouldn't keep in Vapi. So it has to extend it to the required or to the bank itself. So you have the redirect, complete inquiries. All these you can scroll through and you can read through at your own time if you get access to the prompt as well. You can make adjustments as you want, of course, but that's basically it. You just copy it, you paste it there, and then you click the publish here. Once it's published, you'll be able to now have you can test it, you can talk with the assistant here, and then you can test it and then see how it responds. And then from the response you can make, or you can choose rather to make any adjustments if you want to add the female version, or if you want to add a female voice, or if you want to add a male voice. You can publish or talk to the assistant. And then you have the transcriber here. The transcriber basically summarizes the entire conversation that he has, and you can store it in separate Google Sheet. You have the voice which is where you can change the voice of the assistant. So you have the provider here. Most people usually like 11 Labs because I guess it has a wide range of voices that you can use, but I like Cartesia. It usually has good voices as well, so I'm using the Cartesia voice with the confident British man. And advanced here, the only thing that you need to do if you want to connect it to make or make any other advancements, you can get the URLs from here and different adjustments such as the speaking plan, how you want it to speak, the timeout, what you want it to do before it cuts, all these other things. You can see you have the input, you have the message, which is the message that is sent after the call if you want to add this, all these other advancements. But solely today I just want us to focus on creating this bank AI voice agent and seeing how it works. So once it's created, as you can see, you can talk with it here, you can have a conversation, but I'm going to have it call me so that you see how it actually works on the phone and how it responds on the phone. So on the phone, I'm going to go, so for the conversation with the phone, I'm going to go on phone numbers. And then phone numbers here, you can connect your phone number, you can import your phone number, or you can import a number from Twilio that you have, which is the one that I mainly use. Or yeah, basically those two. Or you can create a phone number, or you can buy a phone number from Vapi. So you have the inbound phone number. I'm going to use this one. Select assistant. You select the assistant that you want to use, which is Jerry. Then you have the outbound phone number, which is my number. After that, you're going to see how it works. So I think I'm going to be getting to the conversation right now. So as you can see, I am getting the phone call. So I'm going to try it out. I'm going to try out the assistant, and I'm going to allow you guys to see.
Hello, welcome to Gary BNG Bank. My name is Jerry, your virtual banking assistant. I am here to assist you with your banking needs. How may I help you today?
Hi Jerry, how are you?
Hello. I'm just a computer program, so I don't have feelings, but I'm here and ready to assist you with any banking inquiries you may have. How can I assist you today?
I would like to inquire more about the bank. What services do you provide?
At Gary BNG Bank, we offer a wide range of banking services to meet your financial needs. Some of the services we provide include 1. Account opening and management. We offer various types of accounts, such as savings accounts, checking accounts, and investment accounts. 2. Loans. We provide personal loans, home loans, auto loans, and other types of loans to help you achieve your financial goals. 3. Credit cards. We offer credit cards with competitive rates and rewards programs. 4. Online and mobile banking. Our digital banking services allow you to manage your accounts, pay bills, transfer funds, and more. Conveniently from your computer or...
Okay, Jerry, so I would like to inquire about credit card. I would like to increase the amount of my credit card.
Sure, I can assist you with that. To proceed with a credit limit increase request, I will need to verify some information. Can you please provide me with your current credit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and the 3-digit security code on the back of the card?
Okay, yeah, so the card number is 123456789. The expiry date is 2027. Do you need anything else?
Thank you for providing the information. However, for security purposes, I cannot proceed with the credit limit increase request without verifying your identity. I recommend contacting our customer service team or visiting a branch office to discuss the credit limit increase. They will be able to assist you further with this request.
Okay, that's fine, that's okay. How long do you think it's going to take?
The processing time for a credit limit increase request can vary depending on the bank's internal processes and policies. It's best to contact our customer service team directly to inquire about the expected timeline for your specific request. They will be able to provide you with more accurate information regarding the processing time.
Okay, thank you. Is there anything?
You're welcome.
Is there anything that I can do to make that time shorter?
To expedite the process, you can ensure that all the required documentation and information are provided accurately when you submit your request. This can help streamline the review and approval process. Additionally, you may inquire with the customer service team if there are any specific actions you can take to speed up the processing time for your credit limit increase request.
Okay. Thank you. That's
If
all
you
I
need
wanted.
further assistance,
No,
you're welcome.
that's all I wanted to ask today.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jerry.
You're welcome. If you have any other questions in the future, feel free to ask. Have a great day.
All right. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Goodbye.
So that was the full conversation with the voice agent, and that was a banking financial AI voice agent. So as you can see in the beginning, also did mention the fact that when I asked it, how are you, it mentioned I'm a voice agent, or I'm a virtual assistant rather. And then you can obviously replace that. Remember with the virtual part that I said, that you can remove that, and then it's going to be able to respond as a person, as a virtual assistant. So that's what the code looks like from the outside. And if you would like to build this automation yourself, like I said, I'm going to be leaving the link to the documents in the first comment section. Feel free to reach out to me if you want to learn more about the automation, or have any questions that you want to ask me. And make sure you do like and subscribe, ring the notification bell to the channel. And thank you so much for watching the video all the way up to this end, and I'll see you guys in the next video.